Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this today video, I am going to solve one question of exercise 3.2 of question number 1. The question is given as solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Okay, so the first question is given as x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now let us see how can we solve this. So the solution, let us see the solution. How can we solve this? So we are given here two linear equations. They are x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. So let us see how can we solve this. So the given linear equation, we can write equation in short form as e q to the power n. Equation are x plus y is equal to 14. Let us suppose this as equation first. Okay, I, and similarly x minus y is equal to 4. Let us suppose this is second equation I. Okay, now let us say equation 1 from equation first. Let us say first equation. So x plus y is equal to 14. Okay, now we can find the value of anyone, either x or either y. Okay, let us find the value of x from here. So x is equal to plus y, move to RHS, then whatever right hand side, then whatever 14 minus y. Now we put this value of x in equation second. Okay, so let us move forward. Putting the value of x in equation second, we get, so the equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, now x equal to how much? 14 minus y. So we put x as how much? 14 minus y. Then this minus y as it is equal to 4. Okay, now let us solve. 14 minus y is how much? Minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, so similarly 14 plus 4 this side bring, then what will happen? Minus 4 is equal to similarly minus 2y, move to that side, then what will happen? Plus 2y. Now subtract this. 14 minus 4 is how much? 10 is equal to 2y. Now we can find, okay, 2 into y. So into that side move, then what will happen? Divide. So you can write here 10 upon 2 is equal to y. So therefore what to write? 10 by 2 means how much? 5. We get the value of y equal to 5. Now we have to find the value of x. Okay, we can find the value of x from anyone, from this also, from this also, or you can say from this also. Okay, so let us move from this not. Let us put this. We can put value in anywhere. So let us put the value here also or here also. You can put it anywhere. Okay, now for the easiest one, we can put the value here. Okay, so let us suppose this is equation third. Okay, so now putting the value of y in equation first. So equation third. So equation third is what? X is equal to 14 minus y. So x is equal to 14 minus y is how much? 5. So we can write therefore x is equal to how much? 8. So therefore we can write x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5. So the answer is x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5. Okay, let us check is this answer wrong or right, correct or not. Let us see this. Okay, so how can we check it? Check. Okay, so we are given the equation first, x plus y is equal to 14. It is true or not? Let us put the value. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 5. 8 plus 5 is how much? 14. 8 plus 5 is how much? 14 is equal to 14. This is true. That is right. Let us take another also. X minus y is equal to 4. X is how much? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 4 is how much? 4. That is also true. This is the answer which we got here. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 5. This is the correct answer. In this way, we can solve this question of linear equation by substitution method. If you have any doubt regarding to this question, let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.